Hi, I'm Leona Gottschalk, and I'm a member of Qutekcak Native Tribe. I'm an instructor on some of the beading and sewing classes. I learned to bead from my mother when I was about 5 years old. Here in Seward, I've been beading all my life since then. I've taught myself a lot of stuff, and I've learned little tricks from other people along the line. You know, I was a carpenter my whole life, so on the side I would do beadwork when I had time off. This is a bead kit that I've made up, and it has a list of supplies. The flyer part, it has the supply kit list and written instructions, so that if you don't have the video, you can always refer back to your written instructions. Oh, first you gotta look at your supply list and make sure that you have everything on your supply list. So we have an embroidery hoop, and we have the pellon. The picture on the pellon is just for reference. Okay, so this is your pellon, and it has a picture of what it's supposed to look like to help you remember where the colors go. This is a hair stick. This one is a moose bone, and it comes from this part of the leg of a moose. Some of you will get this one, and others will get one like this, which is just a chopstick, because we ran out. This is your hoop. And the bottom, put that in the center like that. Put that right over there and tighten it back up. You have 2 pieces of leather. One piece is to put your beads on so they don't roll off the table. Probably this one. The other piece is for the back side of this thing. And by the way, these 2 things, those are holes for the stick to go through. You can see it on the picture of your paperwork. You have 3 different colors of seed beads with matching thread. Not everybody has the same colors, so you can just figure it out, right? There's a peace sign, or a little round one like this, or this peace sign. You see it? And there's also 4 small turquoise beads that will go right there. 1, 2, 3, 4. The round one in the center. There's two needles in case you break one. The 3 threads that match as close as we can to the seed beads. And you have glue. Oh yeah. These little things, you might be wondering what they are. And when you take this thread apart, it's gonna wanna unravel easily. So you just take one of these and you put it right over the top, and that will hold your thread from getting messy. This little super glue, it's sealed, so to unseal it, you just screw it on, and it will poke a hole in there. There's this little thing in there. And that is for gluing this middle piece on. You glue that to the pellon. This glue stick is for when you cut this out, you're gonna put it on top of your leather, trace around your leather, cut that off, and the 2 holes. Before you glue it, you gotta cut that out too. Before you glue it down there, you just take this glue and you rub all over the back of that one, and then just put it on like this. Push it down, and that's gonna help hold it in place so that then you can cut around and clean it up a little bit and sew the finish on. And that's it.